Number 1. Smart Straps Retractable Ratchet Straps. Ratchet straps can be installed in just 15 seconds per tie down, no feeding straps in, no tying ends off, and no removing webbing from ratchet. These long ratchet straps are permanently affixed and self-contained. Webbing retracts like a tape measure, so you have no more straps flying in the wind, and the built-in power spring automatically adjusts webbing for easy storage. Number 2. DeWalt Small Technician's Pouch. The DeWalt Small Technician's Pouch has a built-in cell phone holder, electrical tape strap, for pockets, a flashlight loop, and belt attachment. The rear flap slips into back pocket or snap closure and can attach to 2-inch wide belt. The ballistic poly material provides strength and durability. Number 3. GearWrench Electronic Interchangeable Head Torque Wrench. eSpec is a connected electronic torque wrench designed specifically for production environments where a high level of precision is required. With ±1.5% torque accuracy and ±1% angle accuracy, eSpec is a high-tech workhorse. eSpec software allows users to set torque parameters and download torque process data via standard text format, and all eSpec wrenches incorporate GearWrench 120XP technology that can turn fasteners in just a 3-degree swing arc. Number 4. Unier Pliers for Screws. Put away the drill and screw extractors. Unier's new 407 and 4DP screw grabbing pliers are a quicker and easier way to loosen screws with strict profiles. More and more fasteners are coming with shallower heads, which makes precise hex and Torx key fitment crucial. Unfortunately, there are a lot of imprecise tools out there on the market, and it's not uncommon to see a rounded-out rotor bolt or stem bolt, not to mention countless others. Enter the new 407 and 4DP. The vertical serrations on the jaws work to really bite into the fastener, giving you a new attack vector in the war on stripped screws. Designed to fit bolt heads from 3 to 13 mm in diameter, the 170 mm length gives plenty of leverage for biting into even the most stubborn of screws. Number 5. The first bilateral laser distance meter. Multiple measurement features: distance, continuous measurement, Pythagorean method, length, volume, area, etc. Measure in both metric and imperial centimeter, inches, meters, feet. The best of both, the VH80 can switch between bilateral or single laser for all measurement tasks. 2 is always better than 1. Number 6. Engidot miter saw stand with durable iron skeleton frame. The miter saw stand can be quickly assembled and folded without the need for any tools. Only 21.6 pounds, it can be carried around the job site effortlessly. The folding size is 35.8 inch by 9.8 inch by 5.9 inch, which can be put into the back of your vehicle to transport or into the cabinet for storage. The stand comes with 2 quick-release mounting brackets. It is easy to install and remove your miter saw from the saw stand. The double slide rail extending up to 76 4/5 inches and can support up to 10 feet of material. The rollers on both adjustable support arm reduces the friction when sliding the cutting material. End stops can be fixed at any position to suit the length of cut material, help you make an accurate cut. Number 7. Evolution Power Tools 15-inch steel cutting chop saw. Evolution 15-inch steel cutting chop saw offers the highest grade industrial metal cutting strength on the market today. When cutting steel, the chop saw cutoff saw cuts cold, no coolant is required. Because the material is cold, it can be handled and worked on immediately. This machine cuts steel with virtually no heat, burrs, or sparks. It is ideal for cutting steel plate, square tube, angle iron, pipe, tube, and metal roofing. Number 8. Sunex 1,500-pound wheel dolly. Dead engines, locked steering wheels, and small spaces are no problem for Sunex car dollies. It can be used in singles, pairs, threes, or fours to move vehicles in any direction. Features include long aluminum rollers, safety locking casters, a large diamond plate foot pedal, and a sturdy ratcheting mechanism. Number 9. Wiha electric screwdriver. Number 10. Knipex Twin Grip Pliers. Knipex Twin Grip Slip Joint Plier features a unique combination of front and side gripping. Front jaw design grips stripped screws. Optimized side jaw with opposing teeth for maximum force. Side gripping jaws for round, square, and hex materials. The only 5 adjustment push-button slip joint pliers in the market. Reliable gripping of flat workpieces due to the 3-point system. Box joint design for added tool stability. Slim head design for working in confined spaces.